Karnataka Congress leaders led by State Party Chief and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar marched to Raj Bhavan in protest against Governor Thawar Chand Gehlot, accusing him of biased behavior against the Congress government in the state. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah also skipped a meeting of the governor and participated in this protest. Deputy Chief Minister and State Congress Chief D.K. Shivakumar led the procession to meet Governor Thawar Chand Gehlot. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar also said that he is acting in a biased manner. Listen in.
We are appealing to the Excellency Governor of Karnataka that this partition attitude should not be taken. You should see that everyone should be looked at equally and cases has to be taken up. Kindly give prosecution permission as requested by the authorities already, which has been investigation and submitted the report. This is our demand. This protest is nowhere related to Siddaramaiah ji issue. Siddaramaiah ji issue is already in the court. We are fighting out legally. We are very confident that justice will prevail upon us.
You know, it's been very unfair what the Honorable Karnataka Governor has actually done. He's sanctioned the prosecution of the Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah sir. But unfortunately, even though there is investigated evidence and there's been, reports that's submitted against 4 other people, there has been no action, no sanctions of prosecution whatsoever that's actually been given by the governor. That's for Ms. Shashikala Jolle, Janardhan Reddy, Kumaraswamy, and of course Mr. Murugesh Nirani.
Ma'am, do you feel that this is like an eye for an eye? I mean, you give permission for prosecution to the Chief Minister. We take it forward with respect to the BJP leaders.
Not at all. We're just requesting the governor, the honorable governor. We're just requesting the honorable governor to do his job. That we have given all the detailed evidence a while ago, and kindly do your job. Because it's a constitutional position, that's the job of a governor. And with no evidence whatsoever, you're actually doing this. It means you're behaving like a political party representative rather than a governor. So we're just requesting you that we have given sufficient evidence about all these 4 a while ago. Kindly, please do your job.
My final question, ma'am. Today it also coincides with the hearing at the court. Do you think that there is some sort of a legal reprieve that the Chief Minister is waiting for?
We will get justice. You will see that this has just been the BJP government that's actually been playing mischief over here. There's been no evidence whatsoever. There's been no, investigation. Somebody who's just been randomly gone and given a letter to the governor, and all of this has just been done to give our Congress government a bad name. Because we've been working very well in the past year and 4 months. And because BJP, they didn't do work when they were here for 4 years, and they're not allowing us to do. So people of the country, people of the state, us Kannadigas, we are watching.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So that was Congress leader, Ms. Soumya Reddy, talking to us about how this is not an eye for an eye, but then this is to remind the governor to do his duty as the governor and to ensure that justice is served for all. With camera person Govind, Pratibha Raman at Vidhan Soda of Bangalore for NDTV.